Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about your tachometer cap. If you've gone to electronic tachometer and you don't need your mechanical one anymore, then you can buy this cap that goes on the back of your engine and blocks it off. So stay tuned for a bit more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, the caps that are used to go close off the back of a Lycoming engine when you remove the tachometer, they're machined from aluminum. They're anodized so they'll stay. They have an O-ring so they won't leak any fluid. They're available from Aircraft Spruce. They're usually come in a color. They're usually medium gray, which is the Lycoming color, though I have gotten one that was in black once upon a time. But again, it's the MFR TC875 tachometer cap. Here's what they look like. They have little holes in the cap for the safety wire so that once you remove your tachometer cable and you put this on the back of the engine, it can be secured and it won't come off and you won't have to worry about oil running down the back of your engine. So I realize this is not a hot and inspiring topic. It's just a cap on the end of your tachometer cable, but for those of us who've been converting, and it's a primary instrument. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching and have a great day flying your Grumman.
And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning at night. So I thought I would throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.